Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think about our latest work? It's a ray. Hooray! And I say our latest mosaic because it's the third in the series that I've been working on with my daughter Mollie Cheek. Mollie made the ray. She's got a much more painterly style than me, and I absolutely love it. She spends a long time getting that effect. I think it's a really nice one. The frame is by William Ward, and I'm really pleased with it. It's, oh, we've got a spider. Can you see the spider? Can you see him? Okay, so it's, he's putting me off. There he is, look. It's tulip wood. It used to be called poplar wood, and then it became unpoplar. That's a joke, by the way. So now it's called tulip wood. I absolutely love it. There's an accompanying verse where he questions his identity, as you will see. It's called Skating Around. Am I a skate or am I a ray? It's a little confusing, I have to say. Well, I think so at any rate, because this thornback ray is really a skate.